Hey guys, let me quickly share to you guys how I oil my sewing machine every week to make it noiseless while sewing. Those places I'm putting oil is very important. You need to oil those places, and once it is oiled, the noise will reduce. You can easily sew in the night without disturbing your neighbors. Again, do not use groundnut oil as your oil machine. Always use the original machine oil. I heard that some people use groundnut oil to oil their machine. No, you are damaging your sewing machine. Use normal machine oil. With the normal machine oil, it will give your machine a noiseless sound, and you can sew anytime, any day without disturbing your neighbors or your families and friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and follow this page for more sewing tutorial and for more sewing tips. Thank you.